Today, I feel like Megan is the most gorgeous she has ever been. I feel that I want to remember that moment when she opened those doors and came down the aisle. When she opened those doors and when she took my hands and everything she said to me. That's what I'm going to remember most about today.
Megan and Jeremy, my wish for you both is that your life together leads to even more happiness, closeness, and special moments. Embrace the love you have each day and remind each other of how special you are to the other daily.
You make me feel like the most special person in the world. You're my best friend, my confidant, and a person I want to share each and every moment. From sunrise to sunset, you make me feel like there could be no greater love.
My love, I vow to always back you in any endeavor. I vow to be your confidant, your biggest supporter, and your biggest fan. I vow to always listen to you and to make your wishes my wishes. I vow to always come to you first, and I vow to love, respect you and your wonderful, kind, and amazingly funny family for all of time.
Oh, sweet. Together, we will create a life of love, laughter, adventure, and deep understanding of one another. I choose you now, forever, and always. Thank you for walking with me on this journey side by side. Love you always and forever, to the moon and back.
I want to end on a lighter note. I have pulled a quote from one of Jamie and I's favorite movies growing up that I have been saying to Megan for over a decade now.
God.
I vow to always love you, feed you, and never leave you. I love you until the end of time itself.
Yeah, our vows were seriously good.
You like my vows?
I loved your vows.
Good, I love your vows.
You may now seal this declaration with your first kiss as husband and wife.
We'd like to formally welcome Jeremy and the entire Danner family into our crazy and chaotic clan. We love you. Cheers to the happy couple. And last, I just, again, love you all for being here.
So these past 10 years, I've had the honor of growing alongside these two. I have watched them both go through many hardships and weather many storms, but somehow they come back better than before. I've taken notes from these two on what love truly is. Sometimes there's the occasional, you set up a beep, beep, beep. But I've completely raised my standards on what love is and what it should feel like.
They're the yin to the yang for each other. It's like he knows no matter what obstacles come in their way, that he's going to get through it because she's going to help him and he's going to help her. You know, there's been some trying times these last few years, and here we are today, you know, celebrating life.
Jeremy, I have always wanted an older brother, and I'm so lucky that I finally have one. Thank you for being one of my best friends, and thank you for being you and for making Meg feel like the most special girl in the world.
Treat her as an equal. Support her dreams. Heal her in times of pain. Embrace her family as you have married them too. And finally, love her always.